Like, dude, look right here, 2,000 square feet, 3-bed, 2-bath in town, 125 grand. Are you kidding me? My Prius is 125 grand. 4-bed, 1.5 bath. This is crazy. People are leaving, and so single family properties are doing okay, but you can go buy a house really right now for 10,000 bucks here in West Virginia. So if I'm gonna start in West Virginia, I'm gonna go and can I say something I hate? My team told me, do not go to West Virginia, nobody's gonna show up. And they fought. They're like, we're not gonna do it at all. We're not gonna go. I said I'm going to all 50 states. I do not freaking care. We are going to West Virginia. Okay? So let's see how many West Virginia people we have. Actual West Virginia. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. No, you live here. Who lives in West Virginia? Raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All of the other people in here, who showed up to support me? Yeah! Okay. These are people in the community that are like, we'll drive, let's go hang out. They're friends with... We got people that drove in from all over the country to come and support West Virginia. That shows you the commitment. Okay, this is fun. We have a lot of people in the community here in this one. You know what's interesting is that most of the locations, like 60% of the people showing up to meetups are not in our community. Wow. Oh yeah, it's been like tremendous amount of people, because they're like, I've been following you on YouTube, I thought you were fake. They're stupid. That's right. And so they show up just to be like, are you real? And they shake my hand. I'm like, okay, I guess you're real. And we've been having a lot of fun. So, West Virginia, Mountain Mama. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to West Virginia, another state that I have never been to before in my entire life. Not only am I in West Virginia, in the Appalachian Mountains, I'm like in the middle of nowhere. Come, everybody that's brand new, come up here. I want to explain something to you. One of the most important things you'll understand about real estate is not fancy terms or spreadsheets. It's why people are doing what they're doing in each transaction and how you can participate. Immediately, I look at a 6 cap and I'm like, 172 units, 6 cap. They're not looking for a buyer like us. They are us. This is us right here. We should have done this, right? Buy it when it's a 12 cap, then renovate it. The cap, do you know what cap rate means? This is not a lead for you. Okay. I would move on from it. And these are good learning lessons, by the way. Absolutely. These are things you're like, cool. I think one of the most valuable skills you'll ever learn in real estate is how quickly you can say no to something and move on, right? Cool, so let's talk about cap rate. What's your name? Nate. Are you from here?
Yes.
Cool. And Nate, do you think if I asked you to invest some money with me, right? You gave me some money. You got any money to invest with me? Got $1,000? Okay. Would you give me $1,000 for a 2% yearly return?
No.
That's $20. No? Would you do it for 4%? Would you do it for 6%? Interesting, right? 8%? 10? 12? No, okay, you greedy. 14%?
$140?
Yeah.
No.
Okay, so there's better things you can do with that money, right?
Correct.
Cool. So the point is, if you have cash and you invest it in something, and you get $20 at the end of the year, on top of the 1,000, you have a 2 cap, or cap. That's your cap rate, capitalization rate. It's basically your cash on cash return. Okay. So if somebody comes to you and says, I have a 172 unit, $17 million purchase, and it's a 6 cap, does that look like a good place for regular people's money to go? Is a 6 cap? Okay, so why would somebody buy a 6 cap? Who does this make sense for? Who this makes sense for are big hedge funds who think 6% return is a good number. Why?
The multiple safe deal.
Because one, it's not their money. Okay, hedge fund is not their money. You know whose money it is?
Investors.
It's usually is anybody here on a pension? Who's on a pension here? Or you got parents that are on pensions? Okay, Scott, what's your pension for? Okay, firefighter. Where does the firefighter pension money come from? Is it just sitting in a bank account and they just pay it to him over time? Do you know where that pension money is? Pension funds, so the fire department of California takes their pension funds and they give it to hedge funds at 4% interest. So if somebody gives you money at 4% and you can deploy 17 million and take a 2% arbitrage, does this now look interesting to you? Do you see how hedge funds work? Mm-hmm. So can you get money at 4%? No, neither can 99% of the people on the planet. But only people can make money this way are if you're going to pension funds, they give you money at 3 or 4%. That will justify a 6% return. Nobody in this room should be looking at a 6% return, right? Okay, so number one, it's not their money. Number two, there's another way they get paid. They get paid a deployment fee of usually 1 to 2% of the purchase. So they're highly motivated, these hedge funds are highly motivated to deploy $17 million. Why? Because they'll get paid $340,000 as an acquisition fee for deploying their money and then making 2% interest. Do you see how they make money? So anything in this realm, I'd say this and downward is not for you. I usually would not look at a multifamily at 172 units because anything over 150 units usually indicates it's a hedge fund or something larger. The largest unit I own is 406 units and it was a lucky deal. That's why I never talk about it. It's in Houston. I never talk about this deal because it was truly lucky, non-scalable. But if you want to go after multifamily, stop looking at anything over 150 units if you want seller finance. Okay. The reason being is because 150 units and below are usually mom and pops, okay? Dorothy and Don that have owned the property. I would say the sweet spot is 50 to 100 units is the sweet spot.
Okay. And then an 11% cap rate, is that what, I know you had mentioned something.
If I do seller finance, I have an infinite cap rate.
Okay, right.
Because I'm gonna get into there with no money out of my pocket.
Okay.
Kind of like Josh on the trailer park.
Yep.
What's his cap rate? It's infinite.
Oh, infinite.
Because he bought it with no bank, no down payment.
Right.
He brought a partner in to do the repairs. His return is infinite. So when we're trying to grow our portfolio, should I be chasing down any of these or should I be looking for infinite?
Infinite.
Right, so Josh on that deal, he's gonna create infinite return because he's structured a deal with Creative Finance that doesn't require a bank or any money out of his pocket. If I'm you and I'm just starting out, that's what I would be spending my time on.
Okay.
This is a little over newbies' heads, just FYI. I didn't learn this for a couple years, and you don't need to either. Why do more people not move to West Virginia? It's freaking beautiful. Like, what's up? I know, but why don't they want to move back here? Really? There's no jobs. I thought it was the geography. Like, I felt like because you can't really expand a big city and have industry here, because you have the haulers. Is that what you call it? Yep. It's like the whole city is nothing but haulers, or the whole country, state is nothing but haulers, right? It's like these little strips of land where only like 10 houses can fit in there. It's really hard to build a whole big old economy. The biggest city in this state is Charleston, has 43,000 people. Deal.
I love making deals.
Deal. West Virginia, Mountain Mama! Woo!
I love making deals.
West Virginia is proof that we have gone to all 50 states. Somebody's gonna say, did you even go to West Virginia? And the answer is yes, we have proof. We even worked deals tonight, an 8-plex and a trailer park called the sellers, did the stuff, moved them forward. A lot of success tonight. Had a blast. We also did something that we don't normally get to do in smaller meetups. We have the opportunity to actually answer questions and give people one-on-ones and dial in on those types of things. In larger meetups, I don't get a chance to meet everybody. And so sadly, West Virginia had its own vibe today. It was freaking great. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, country home, take me home. A lot of people in the sub-2 community knew that the turnout was going to be really small in West Virginia. It's not really a big real estate town. And the reason being is because there's so many properties vacant here, especially commercial properties, warehouses. The industry here has dwindled. It's called the Japanese effect. It's kind of what's going on in Japan right now, that the population is in such a decline that it's so affordable. I remember 20 years ago, Japan was like one of the most expensive places on the earth. Now it is so affordable to live in Japan because the population is declining. They're not building new properties. They're just trying to fill the existing ones. West Virginia has that going on. People are leaving, and so single family properties are doing okay, but you can go buy a house really right now for $10,000 here in West Virginia. If I'm gonna retire and I'm on a really tight budget, I'm coming here. So check this out. Let's go to realtor.com. Realtor.com. Scott, what do you think I can get a 3-bed, 2-bath for here in this town? Okay, check it out. 4-bed, 2-bath, 1,700 square feet on 0.75 acres, $189,000. 125 for 3-bed, 2-bath, 2,000. Like, dude, 100 and look right here, 2,000 square feet, 3-bed, 2-bath in town, 125 grand.
Not bad.
Are you kidding me? My Prius is 125 grand. 4-bed, 1.5 bath. This is crazy. Oh my gosh, this is the most bonkers thing. 3-bed, 2-bath, 2,400 square feet for $230. Oh my gosh.
In Charleston?
This is right here in Charleston. 4-bed, 2-bath, 2,500 square feet, $129,000. So it's super affordable here, right? Which, here's the interesting thing. Oh, Nathan's trying to kill us.
A little bit. Christ, what was that?
Oh my gosh.
We pay this too.
Oh wow, bro, you get paid to drive like that?
I do, it's pretty sweet.
You kiss your mom with that mouth? Wait, no, you talk to your mom with that mouth? Is that what they say? So, if I'm gonna start in West Virginia, I'm gonna go and do, can I say something I hate? I would do the BRRRR or the SIR strategy here because it's the only state in the country that the BRRRR strategy will still work. In fact, that's the opening line to this entire YouTube video. The only state that will work with the BRRRR strategy consistently is West Virginia, because it's so inexpensive that interest rates don't matter and the rents are still, $1,000 for a room or $1,000 for a house, whatever. You can make so much money on cash flow here, but is this appreciating market, yes or no?
No.
Sure is not. I bet you the prices in West Virginia have declined in the last 10 years, not gone up like the rest of the country. And I would imagine if you bought a $200,000 house here today, it would not even be worth $220,000 in 15 years. Truly, it's that bad. So, it's beautiful here. The people are awesome. I only got to meet 12 of them because most of the people that showed up today were members of the sub-2 community. So shout out to Kelly Carver, Rod Carver, Shin Yi, Eric Richards, Stacy Tom, so many amazing people. So many people showed up today that drove 5 hours to be at the West Virginia meetup. Love you guys.
There's a radish on that restaurant.
I think that's all we got. I think West Virginia, born and raised on the mountains, is where I spent most of my days. Chilling out Max and relaxing out cool, digging up coal all after school. Shout out to the team that came out here, and we all sacrificed, except for me. I did 9 hours of Zooms today, so I had a great time. My wife went to the Mothman Museum. What else could I teach the people? A lot of learning lessons today in the